Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve x power 6 is equals to x minus 1 power 6 and we have to find the values of x. So let's start with the today's video solution. So I can write this equation as x power 6 minus x minus 1 whole power 6 is equals to 0. Now, if I can make this power 6 in terms of square, so it will be easier to solve. So I can write x power 6 as x power 3 whole power 2. Similarly, this as x minus 1 whole power 3 whole power 2 is equals to 0. Now, we can use a very famous identity, that is a square minus b square, which is equals to a plus b times a minus b. So it becomes x cube plus x minus 1 whole cube and x cube minus x minus 1 whole cube is equals to 0. Now again we are going to use very famous two identities, that is a cube plus b cube, which is equals to a plus b times a square minus ab plus b square, and a cube minus b cube a minus b a square plus ab plus b square. Now let's apply. So it becomes a is x, so x plus x minus 1 times a square minus ab is x times x minus 1 plus x minus 1 whole square, and another is x minus x plus 1 times x square plus x times x minus 1 plus x minus 1 whole square is equals to 0. Now multiply the brackets here. X plus x is 2x minus 1 times x square minus minus is plus x, plus here we are going to use a minus b whole square, that is a square plus b square minus 2ab times, here positive x cancel out the negative x, 1 times x square plus x square minus x, plus again we are going to use this identity, x square plus 1 minus 2x is equals to 0. Now we can cancel out these two and write 2x minus 1 in bracket x square plus 1 and minus 2x plus x is minus x, and here x square plus x square, 2x square plus x square, 3x square, negative x, negative 2x, negative 3x plus 1 is equals to 0. Now we have three roots and all are equals to 0. So first is 2x minus 1 is equals to 0. So the value of x is 1 by 2. And second is x square plus 1 minus x is equals to 0, and 3x square minus 3x plus 1 is equals to 0. Here we are going to use quadratic formula, that is x is equals to negative b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So let's put the value. X is equals to negative b is negative 1 plus minus under root negative 1 square minus 4 times 1 times 1 by 2 times 1. So x is equals to 1 plus minus under root 1 minus 4 by 2. So x is equals to 1 plus minus negative 3 by 2. Negative 1 is square root is equals to, we can replace with iota. So the value of x is 1 plus root 3 iota by 2 and 1 minus root 3 iota by 2. Now we are going to apply the same formula here. So x is equals to negative 3 plus minus under root negative 3 square minus 4 times 3 times 1 by 2 times 3. So x is equals to 3 plus minus under root 9 minus 12 by 6. So x is equals to 3 plus minus negative 3 by 6. So x is equals to 3 plus minus root 3 iota by 6. So two values of x is 3 plus root 3 iota by 6, or x is equals to 3 minus root 3 iota by 6. So the five values of x are x1 is equals to 1 by 2, x2 1 plus root 3 iota by 2, x3 1 minus root 3 iota by 2, x4 3 plus root 3 iota by 6, and x5 3 minus root 3 iota by 6. That's how you can find the multiple values of x. So their power is 6. So 6 minus 1 is 5. So these are the 5 values of x. I hope you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.